Need a clean way to handle language model outputs as structured data instead of raw text? You'll see how DSPy automatically wraps predictions in a prediction object, letting you directly access fields like answer as native Python attributes. This simple pattern eliminates manual parsing and keeps your code organized.
Prediction. Answer equals Labrador Retriever.
This demonstrates DSPy's structured output pattern using the prediction class. The code shows how language model responses are returned as typed objects with named attributes, rather than raw strings. The distinctive aspect here is the transformation of an LM's text output into a Python object with explicit field names. The pattern works by wrapping the LM's response in a container that exposes the result through clean attribute access. In this case, the single answer field directly maps to the task's expected output, creating a predictable interface. This eliminates the need for manual string parsing or pattern matching when working with the response. This approach matters because it establishes a clear contract between the LM's output and your application code. Instead of handling ambiguous text, you work with a well-defined object structure that matches your task's requirements. The simplicity of this wrapper becomes particularly useful when integrating LM calls into larger systems where type safety and explicit data contracts are important. Let's break it down line by line.
Prediction.
Creates a prediction object DSPy's structured container for model outputs. This single prediction with an answer field shows the basic pattern for typed AI responses.
Answer equals Labrador Retriever.
This sets the fixed answer field to Labrador Retriever in the prediction object. It's a direct string assignment demonstrating how prediction results are structured. DSPy output structure. The prediction object serves as a structured container for model outputs, directly mapping signature fields to Python attributes. This example demonstrates the simplest form, a single output field named answer containing the generated text.
The module that never runs completes every program.